What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Shade from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, so I'm going to start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a large gap and draw that same size oval on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to draw the inside edge of the glasses. So on the left side, we're going to step in. It's going to start from the top, bend this around, and then down towards the bottom. Go to the right side and go in the opposite direction, coming down. Now let's curve the top. Round at the corner, go across. Now we're just going to work our way around the side and bottom. So round this out, come down, round at the corner, and then come back in. Let's trace the frame along the outside, starting with the middle. We're going to start with a straight line going across, step down, draw another one. Now let's go to the top left, just going to trace the glasses, rounding out the corners. I want to try to leave an even space gap going out towards the side. I'm just going to come down a little along the side, and then we're going to add the arm. We'll go out, come down, and then back in. Trace the bottom of the glasses. And we're just going to close off the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the bottom corners of the glasses, step in, just going to curve the hood. We're going to come down from the left, come in, and then bend that down towards the middle. Go to the right and do the same thing, coming in and then bending that down. Now I'm just going to line this up above the glasses, curve this up and then down. Now we want to add that zipper pull. We're going to start with a straight line going across, come down the sides, and come in the gap in the center, and then in the middle we're going to draw a small rectangle. Go back over toward the left side. We're going to draw the zipper pull, going all the way around and then up on the right side. Now let's draw the outside of the hood. We're going to start from the top corner of the glasses, going out, come all the way around, and then just bend that in. Let's go to the right side, going out, around, and then in. Now I'm going to place the hat on top of the head. Let's start back over on the left side. We're going to go up, round out the hat, go across and then down. On the top and the center, we're going to add that button. And we'll add that strap across the bottom of the hat. Starting on the left, draw a straight line going up. Do the same thing on the right. Close off the top with a curve. Over on the left side, we're going to draw a circle for the button. And then open up the hat in the center. Stepping in, draw a half circle, going up and then down. Now we're going to draw a straight line coming down the middle of the hat. Let's add a fold across the bottom of the head. Starting on the left, come around, and then bend that in. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the head. Let's start from the top. Let's draw on the side of the body. On the left, we're going to leave a gap, then the body going out and then down towards the bottom. Go to the right and do the same thing. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add that zipper in the middle. So we're going to start with two straight lines, one coming down from the left and then one on the right. Let's add that texture of that zipper from top to bottom. And then in the center of the body, we're going to add the pockets. Start with a straight line going across. And then from the side, bend this down and then out. Now leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a straight angle line coming down and out. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the bottom, bend this out and then up underneath the body. Let's stretch the arms out towards the side. So we're going to start in between the fold, then the arm going up and then down. And then do the same thing on the right side. Let's round out the cuff, then this in and then down. I'll bend the arm going up and then in towards the side of the body. Now I want to add a cuff on either side. From the corners, just going to angle this out. Now we're just going to close this off with a curve. On the left side, we're going to step in and draw the outside of the sleeve with another angled line. Now it's going to curve the bottom, coming down in towards the middle. Let's add a notch, going up and then back down, and then curve towards the inside. Let's go to the outside and add a circle for a button. Add 2 small black dots. Let's tuck the glove in on the right side. From this corner, we're going to step out, curve the thumb coming around, and then in, step up, curve the hand coming all the way around, and just tuck that up underneath the sleeve. On the bottom right side, let's add in that star. Draw 2 straight angle lines coming down and out. Go across towards the side. Pull this down and in towards the bottom. And we're going to add 2 points across the bottom. Coming down and out. Go up and then in. Now on the inside, we're going to add 2 circles for the eyes and fill those in black. Go to the center. Draw a straight line going across, curve the mouth, and then fill that in. Now I'm going to show you a simple method on how to draw a chain. So from the top, we draw 2 straight lines coming down towards the star. And then inside, we're going to split this with 2 lines. Let's draw the links going out. So from the inside, go out, down, then back in. Go in the opposite direction on the outside. Let's do that one more time across the top. Now the last thing I want to do is add a thick edge along the inside of the hood. So start from the side of the glasses, we're going to follow this curve, going around, and then just taper that in towards the middle, and then do the same thing on the right. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and there we have it. There's a cartoon illustration of Shade from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters from Brawl Stars. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.